Alright, so like 2 weeks ago or so, I sold my Civic. Never thought I'd sell it, but sold it. I'm looking for a car to buy, and I finally went and picked one up this last weekend. So, here it is. This is the whip. It's a Skyline. Figured why not? Never owned a Nissan before, so I got a Skyline GTST. Ooh, a little shooken up. They were in the trunk. But yeah, so this is the new rig. It was kind of a spur of the moment impulse buy. Sold the Civic and made a post looking for something to buy. So I went and looked at it and decided it would be cool to own one. But it's a 1989 Skyline GTST Type M. It's pretty much stock. It's just got coilovers on it, full exhaust, intake. What else? Steering wheel, shift knob, CD player, well, touchscreen radio deal. That's pretty much it. It's kind of neat. Pretty clean underneath, inside and out. Got this guy still sitting here. And we still got this thing sitting here because parts are still on back order. Still waiting to put it together. Just want to get it out of here, but yeah, sold the Civic. That was kind of a spur of the moment deal. My buddy messaged me, said he had cash, he was on his way over. Took him for a ride in the Civic, he bought it. So now I was kind of on the hunt for a car. And kid offered me the Skyline for I wouldn't say like a killer deal, but a pretty reasonable price with the miles on it, the condition, everything like that. So went ahead and bought it. I'll do a little deal, show you the inside, the outside, and then that'll pretty much be it. I haven't really rode the bike much lately. Today's Monday, I had to work, but I have the rest of the week off. But I'm going camping for like 4 days or something, and then go back to work again. But plan on getting maybe some videos while we're camping. We're gonna be boating and backflips on the jet skis and whatnot, things like that. So maybe get a video thrown together with that kind of stuff. We'll see. But for now, I'll just kind of show the car because I'm sure this will be in a few videos like the Civic was. And that'll just be a little update on what's going on, since not a whole lot lately. Alright, today, working on the Skyline. Yesterday I had a fuel line, a rubber line that goes to the fuel filter blow out on me. So I had to repair that. It was free. Parts store gave me a free line because it was in the scrap bin, so not a big deal. It has a misfire under boost, which is pretty common in these things for the coil packs to go out, and then it'll create a misfire under load, which is what I'm getting. I did the spark plugs, didn't change it, but I did test all 6 coil packs, and they ohmed out a lot lower than what's considered to be good. So I'm hoping it's the coil packs, because I have 6 brand new ones right here. I'm gonna put in, take it for a drive, see if the misfire goes away, so I can finally rev this thing out to like 8,500 or whatever they're supposed to rev to without it breaking up. So I just got back with this thing, so it's a billion degrees. I got the fan kind of blowing on it, but I'm just gonna put gloves on and get it tore apart, because to get to the coil packs, you gotta take this boost pipe off, all these lines off, get this cover off, and then get the coil pack rails out. So it's kind of more of a process than it needs to be, but I did it the other day, I'll do it again. So I'm gonna change those out and then take it for a drive and cross my fingers it fixes it. It's hot in the garage today, but I'm going with the Captain Morgan gloves so I don't burn my fingy things. I'm gonna get started. Alright, so here's one of the rails with 3 coil packs on it. These, I'm assuming, are OEM. They say Nissan on them still, so they're probably 31 years old, who knows. So now I just got to bolt these new ones on here, transfer over the boots and the springs that connect them, and then do that twice. Alright, got all the coil packs in. Time to put the last hose on and then go for a drive and hope to God it fixes my issue. Really hope it does. Nothing worse than buying a new car for a lot of money and chasing an issue you can't figure out from the start. So hope this does it. Okay, everything's back together. Just gotta tighten these 2 boost pipes, this one and this one, and we're good to go. All right, so test number 1, we'll be seeing if it even starts. New coil packs. All right, fires right up. Sounds like it's running smooth. I guess we'll go see if we can take it for a rip without it breaking up. I want to try first gear and see what happens. That is a million times better. I mean, these are cheap coil packs too, so maybe that's the reason why it still pops a few times. But I've never been able to get on it first like that before, or second. So that's an improvement I can live with there. That's pretty good. That was smooth. That was 0 to 60 with not a single pop. I didn't rev it all the way up, but didn't need to. So But that'll be it. That's pretty much the sum up of the new car. The Civic's gone, Skyline's here, and that's gonna be kind of part of some videos probably soon. I mean, obviously still be riding the CT70 and stuff, but Skyline's pretty neat, so why not use it?